Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear data on Shazam. You click on settings. Here we go to settings, then you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Shazam app and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage, then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.